how to find linked account settings on Ecwid, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find linked account settings on Ecwid. First open your browser, and now once you're here, click on your profile in the top corner and then click profile, and now scroll down, scroll until you find linked accounts, and that's it. Now just now you can unlink any account you want. Here just click on it and unlink it, and here you can find, and here you will find linked accounts. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.